Royole Flexpai's second-gen folding phone will launch on 21st of September. It was supposed to launch in second quarter, but due to current virus situation, it got delayed. But now here we are with just few days left for it to launch. Back in March, Royole briefly showcased how their next folding phone's gonna be and the improvements it will bring, like the improved hinge, new cicada wing flexible display, and few key stuff without going into specifics. So in this video, we are gonna go through all of that and more, so sit tight and let's begin. First, let's start with the display. Royole showcased the display in the event and is calling its new screen tech 3rd generation cicada wing, and claims the technology offers 50% increase of brightness, high contrast, enhanced viewing angles, wide color gamut, and a fast response time. And Royole promises the smoothest folding experience in the industry even after more than 200,000 bends. In addition to that, Digital Chat Station, a leaker from China, went ahead and posted the alleged specs of the Flexpai 2 foldable phone in last month. According to the leaker, the Royole Flexpai 2 foldable phone will come with a 7.8-inch OLED folding screen, which we already knew, but he shed light on other aspects like it will come with a standard 60Hz refresh rate. There will be no 120Hz refresh rate like Galaxy Z Fold 2, and a screen resolution of 1920 by 1440 pixel. The next important aspect of this phone is the hinge, and Royole says it has switched to a new, more robust hinge design with no gaps in between the hinge and the rest of the phone. It's also more robust and wear-proof than the mechanics on the previous generation handset. So compared to the original Flexpai, this will be way better. Under the hood, it is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset, which is 5G capable and comes with 12 GB of RAM and UFS 3.0 storage. The Flexpai 2 will have quad rear cameras. The primary sensor is a 64 megapixel camera and it comes along with a 16 megapixel sensor, an 8 megapixel sensor and a 32 megapixel sensor. This is an impressive configuration and an upgrade from the 16 plus 20 megapixel of the original Flexpai. Royole has also increased the battery capacity to 4450 mAh, even though the screen size is still the same as that of the predecessor. The leaker says the device has a thickness of 6.5 mm when unfolded and weighs 340 grams. Finally, the price will be the main factor here. It's no surprise to see it cost lower than the Galaxy Z Fold 2, but how low will be known at the launch. There are other details we don't know about yet, but it's just a matter of days. So for more such videos, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Peace out.